Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain TCS 2023 registration process completely. I am going to explain now. Watch the video till end. Before going to that, you just watch my channel. What are the things I am providing internship, daily update about your top MNCs all over India, and what all the courses if you study it will be useful in future. Everything I am providing in my channel. So don't forget to visit my channel daily. And this is the first video for TCS complete registration for freshers. I'll provide the link in the description. And this is for freshers who want to create account in TCS. Watch the video till end before creating an account. And second one will be login page creating account. Watch first one and second two videos. If you watch, you will clearly know how to create account. And this is the TCS 2023 batch link for who can apply everything they have provided. Registration start from today and registration end at 22nd June. Test date will be 15th. So be ready guys, start preparing now itself. You just want to create a login and register and apply button. So for freshers you don't have any account in TCS, watch the two video and create an account. It will be useful for your lifetime. So this is all they're providing here. Important notes, academic details, everything they are asking. So please create a resume. It will be helpful for you. And the test eligibility is from 10th, 12th, all academics to 60% and 60 GP above. ISC qualification B, all department can apply. mtech master in computer science and specialization they can apply. No backlogs arrear, one is enough for them. Education gap must be 1 year, not for 2 years. They are mentioning course type only part-time course not considered, only full-time course they are considering. Work experience 2 years of eligible to apply. Age between 18 to 20 they should apply. And next will be test pattern. This is new pattern when comparing to last time those who are writing exam. Numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability, and part B will be advanced quantitative ability, reasoning ability, coding. These are the two new exam details. And this NQT preparation launch. You have to click here and read out the launch panel. Frequently asked the question. What all the question? One is the registration exam. So everything they have provided here. So you don't worry guys. You just want to register here button. If you click out means it will automatically wait guys. It will automatically go here. So you don't have any account here. So just want to register now. In this video I am explain how to register everything I will provided. So just watch these two videos. It will be helpful for you. So if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Forward to your friends as much you can. Those who don't know how to create an account in TCS, it will be helpful for me in future. So thank you guys. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section.